But we begin with NBC2's Joe Petrello. He went to DeSoto County today, where the floodwater is finally receding.
The entire area was washed out after Hurricane Irma hit. You can see behind me here that debris is still down and many trailers are left with nothing.
We made it through the hurricane with no problem at all and didn't figure on the water rising that fast.
Their campground is a muddy mess. It is unsafe for most of them to live in their trailers, and pretty much all their belongings are ruined. DeSoto County emergency workers say the Peace River peaked at more than 19 feet during the flood.
I had water in my place about up to here, and my camper had about 1.5 feet in it, and we lost just about everything.
The flooding started right after Irma passed through Arcadia. For more than a week, this was the only way people in the community could get around their streets.
We were ready for the flood, but not the flood to the extent that it did.
Some business owners along the river, like Becky Bragg, are not only forced to shut down, but also rebuild.
We had water go into that office for the first time that I've ever been here since 1990.
Meanwhile, the city of Arcadia is still recovering from Irma.
We just repairing the road, fixing it up, the patches, making sure the people are safe.
Business owners along the Peace River say it could take months to reopen again. Reporting in DeSoto County, Joe Petrello, NBC.